Hello, my name is Christy and I'm an associate at the Wadsworth Public Library, and today I'm going to talk to you about some of the online resources we have available free for our patrons who may be unemployed, underemployed, or looking to change careers. So the first step is you're going to go to our website, wadsworthlibrary.com, and for some of you it will look like this, and for others it will look like that. If this is the format you have, you're just going to click on those three dots on the side of your screen, or three lines rather. Click on Resources and Employment Resources. If your screen has the wider view, like mine does, you'll simply click on the word Resources and then Employment Resources. It will give you the same result. So we have 4 databases highlighted on our website, and I'm going to talk about them today and show you just a little bit about them. The first one is Lynda Com. Lynda.com is a great resource for those who are looking to learn some new skills, maybe expand the skills that you have, get into a new career. Everything from how to be a web developer to working with virtual instruments and even Google Drive training, that sort of thing. Lots of computer training, but there's also lots of neat trainings for like hobbies. So if you want to learn how to crochet or do calligraphy or that sort of thing, if you want to get into a new side business, this would be a great place to start learning some new skills. A lot of these classes also have certificates at the end that you could print or save so you can show your employer or future employer some of the classes that you have taken through lynda.com. The next database we're going to talk about, I'm actually going to talk about the next 2 together. That's because they kind of work together. That is the Job and Career Accelerator and the Learning Express Library. They're hosted or owned by the same company, which is EBSCO here, you can see. So they look similar, they feel similar. You might get kind of bumped around between the sites. So sometimes it will say it's Job and Career Accelerator, and sometimes it will say it is the Learning Express Library. Essentially, they're the same thing, owned by the same company, so that's why it looks that way. But this is the Job and Career Accelerator. Here you can build your resume. They have a great course on interviewing and how common interview questions, that sort of thing. And then the other site is the Learning Express Library. This really focuses on the student. It has some GED prep there, some college admissions prep. There's also a whole section on preparing for specific exams. So if you are getting into cosmetology or law enforcement, we have a lot of tools here to prep you for those specific exams. There's also a section for people who just want to know basic computer skills. So if you're maybe a little rusty on your computer skills, you can go to the Learning Express Library, and they have some great, very user-friendly courses that you can use here. We also have a section on Learning Express Library for those who are bilingual or speaking Spanish. So that is a great tool for them. And the last database we're going to talk about is Cypress Resume Maker. This is used a lot at the library by a lot of patrons. It's a great tool for those who have never had a resume or are not familiar with making a resume, or maybe just need to spruce their resume up a little bit. They will ask you a series of questions on this site, take you step by step. So it's essentially 3 steps. They get some background information, ask you about previous employment and skills. And then by the end of step 3, that you'll have a resume that you can use. You can save it and manipulate it if you want to change anything, or you can just use it as is. It's a really nicely formatted resume and a great tool to have if you're getting back into the job pool. So those are our 4 databases that we have available. For most of these databases, to be able to access them, you have to have your library card number and the 4-digit PIN associated with that library card. If you have forgotten your number, you don't have it with you, we do have reference staff available Monday through Saturday. You can call us at 330-334-5761, and the reference staff would be happy to help you with that. Likewise, if you get stuck when you're navigating and you're not sure how to get to where you need to be, you can give us a call and we can talk you through it over the phone and help you find what you need. So, hope everybody's staying well. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, 330-334-5761. Thank you for using the Wadsworth Public Library.